Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to learn account dimension value. We have found this term in some accounting programs. What is account dimension value in SystemEver? Dimension values are the components of information to support the related account in the journal entry transaction. There are two types of activities here. Let's start from entering the dimension values, then continue with the entered data checking. To enter the dimension value, first, uncheck the inquiry of dimension connected with account to show the complete list. Click Inquiry. Choose one of the dimension. For example, selling expenses. Enter the dimension value. Fill in the sequences accordingly. Click on the usage check to validate the list into the journal entry. You may also enter the data and uncheck this part if you are not using it for now. The inactivate items will be shown when details item inactivate details included is ticked. There are also an option for languages from the dimension value language drop-down list. When all is set, click Save. You know your data is saved when this box is checked. To check the entered dimension values, double-click on the sequence number until the row is highlighted, and it will show the breakdown values of the related account. Check on the right side of the program, and you can see the data entered. That's the final for account dimension value. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.